Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on changing the display orientation on Windows 11. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. From the Windows 11 desktop, go to the search bar at the bottom, search for Settings and then open them. In Settings, select System from the left sidebar. Now select Display. In Display Settings, under Scale and Layout, you will see Display Orientation. Click the drop-down box next to it to choose the new orientation. Once you have selected the new orientation, you can choose to keep the orientation, or revert it to how it was before. If you don't choose anything, after a few seconds, it will revert back to how it was before. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Windows 11 tips and tricks.